Hey all, that time of the season again. Finally purchased some new stockings that were much needed. My wife went ahead and ordered these, which was perfect because they came in threes, as we have a new addition to the family. Very impressed with the quality of these, actually. Very detailed. I love the prints. It's definitely going to go with all our Christmas decor. As you can see, we have the Santa one. We have the Snowman. And we have the Reindeer. I like the colors. I'm really digging the gray and the red one. I like that it's one's a little bit different with the red one in the middle. Gives it a nice vibe in here. I can't wait to set up for Christmas and decorate and have something nice going across the mantle. These are really gonna look great in here. Can't wait. So just thought I'd share with you a good buy. And yeah, if you're looking for some new stockings for the Christmas holiday, then I would definitely recommend these and give these a try. Can't go wrong. Very good quality. They seem like they're going to hold up, which is good. And yeah, thanks again for watching, guys.